In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create a two-dimensional drawing from a three-dimensional part. Let's open a new document. Select Drawing this time. Click OK. I'm going to choose B Landscape as my sheet. Click OK. Now I'm going to browse for the part. I select this part here. Click Open. In the View Orientation area, I will select Left, and SolidWorks will show me a box to indicate where it's going to drop the part. Click Left to drop it in place. Now let's drag the mouse down. This shows us the top view. A left click of your mouse will place this drawing. If I drag again, I'm going to get another view, another drawing here. Let's click Accept. Now, if I drag my mouse over the drawing, you'll see this red dashed line. I can click on this line to reposition the drawing. I can click here if I want to reposition all three. As you see, all three drawings are still perfectly aligned.